Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Eyes of Wheels. This is Raj with another interesting episode. Today I'm riding to Manambadi Lake, which is almost 60 to 65 kilometers from Kanchipuram, and the direction is from Chengalpet. It is situated towards to Mahabalipuram, Mamallapuram I mean. So with me Shiv Kumar joined actually. So and with us there is another YouTuber whose name is Ben. You guys would have been come across his videos on the YouTube, and he is more interested in off-roading. So and we are going to join there in Manambadi village, and from there we will be heading to the off-roading spot. All right, so with no further delay, just stay tuned, listen the music, enjoy the sceneries. Thank you guys, meet you soon. As you saw, on the way to Manampati village, we found there was a stream, river like stream. We spotted, that was really unfortunate, but we were lucky. We had to happen to go there and explore it. So that was really nice spot actually. And from there we were heading to Manampati village, where we found a small mess, and Sukumar and myself had breakfast there. That's where Ben has joined, and Ben explored a place where where we planned to do off-road riding, I mean, there. Like before that, there is a lake, that is a Manampati lake. We will go there and we will see how it is. Thank you.
இங்கே வந்து we took left actually. Okay. இல்லை left will not work. Left will not work.